Students, I am A.K. Jha, PGT Biology. Today I am going to explain transportation in plants. In previous class, we have already taught to you transportation in animals, in human being, blood vascular system or circulatory system. Today I am going to explain transportation in plants. How do substances are transported in plants? What substance need transportation in plants? And what are the mechanisms involved in transportation? You see, transportation in plants. Water, minerals, ions, food, hormones, etc. need transportation in plants. There are some mechanisms which are involved in transportation. We study these mechanisms also. First is diffusion, the process of mixing of molecules of two different substances due to difference in their concentration is called diffusion. Osmosis. Osmosis is a special kind of diffusion in which water molecule diffuses from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration across semi-permeable membrane. That means osmosis is a special kind of diffusion in which water molecule diffuses from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration across semi-permeable membrane. Now transport is of two types, active transport and passive transport. In passive transport, the transport of substances without the expense of energy. That means in this type of transport there is no any involvement of energy, just like ascent of shape by xylem. Ascent of shape means upward movements of mineral dissolved in water from root to leaf is called ascent of shape. Minerals dissolved in water is called shape, and upward movement of shape from root to leaf is called ascent of shape. Ascent of shape is a passive transport. Second is active transport, the transport of substance with expenditure of energy by movement of energy is called active transport. In this type of transport, the substances can move in against of concentration gradient from a region of low concentration to a region of high concentration also. That means this type of transport requires energy. This energy is expended in the form of ATP. Translocation by phloem, that means movement of food from leaf to all parts of the plant, or movement of ions, movement of large molecules is called active transport, or it is also called facilitated transport. First, ascent of shape by phloem. We study ascent of shape by phloem, how these substances are transported. Water and minerals are transported from root to leaf. That means minerals dissolved in water is called shape, and shape transported from root to leaf. How these substances are transported, we study in detail. First of all, water and minerals dissolved in water from soil diffuses in root hair. Root hair present in soil in contact with water. The minerals dissolved in water diffuses in root hair. From root hair, this water comes in epidermis, and from epidermis it goes to the cortex. From cortex it goes to the endodermis. From endodermis it passes to the pericycle. From pericycle it reaches to the root xylem. From root xylem it reaches to the stem xylem. From stem xylem it reaches to the leaf xylem. From leaf xylem water and minerals reaches to the mesophyll tissue, where this water and minerals is utilized in the process of photosynthesis. Now, What are the mechanisms involved in the ascent of shape by xylem? What are the forces? From where the force required for the ascent of shape came? Various theories has been given for this purpose. One widely accepted theory, modern theory, is transpiration pull theory, given by Dixon and Joly. And in this theory, it is said that transpiration is the process by which a pull force arises in plant. Transpiration is the process of removal of water from stomata of leaf in the form of water vapor. Now, transpiration occurs through stomata. Due to transpiration in leaves, a pull force arises in leaf. This pull force creates a concentration gradient in leaf xylem, and due to continuous column in the xylem vessels and tracheids from root to leaf, this pressure ultimately reaches to the root, where it is called root pressure. And due to root pressure, the water and minerals dissolved in water diffuses from soil to root hair. That means transpiration is the force which gives a pull force from leaf, and this force reaches from leaf to the root, where it is called root pressure. And due to root pressure, water and minerals diffuses from soil to root hair. In this way, from soil to root hair to epidermis, epidermis to cortex, cortex to endodermis, endodermis to pericycle, pericycle to root xylem, root xylem to stem xylem, stem xylem to leaf xylem, and leaf xylem to mesophyll tissue. In this way, ascent of shape occurs. That means minerals dissolved in water is transported from root to leaf. Now, transport of other substances, that means transport of ions, food and hormones. Water, minerals are transported through xylem, and ions, foods, hormones, etc. need transportation by phloem. The transportation of phloem is active transport. Without, the food is transported in all the directions from the leaf to all parts of the plant. It may diffuses from one part of the plant to the other part of plant in against of concentration from upward to downward, and from downward to upward or sidewise also. So it need energy, and energy is given by the expense of ATP. That means translocation by phloem. Translocation is the process of transportation of food, and the hormones, ions, minerals dissolved in food are transported from leaf to all parts of the plant. This type of transportation is called active transport, because in this transport energy is required, and energy is expended in the form of ATP. So we conclude that active transport and passive transport occurs in plants. Minerals dissolved in water, that means shape, is transported from root to leaf through the xylem vessels, and food and hormones synthesized in root tip or shoot tip are transported along with food. This is called ascent of shape. This is called translocation of food. Translocation of food occurs through phloem vessels. It is active transport. That means in plants, transportation is of two types: active transport and passive transport. Active transport occurs through phloem vessels, just like translocation, and passive transport occurs through xylem, just like ascent of shape. That means transport of shape, minerals dissolved in water is called shape, and upward movement of shape from root to leaf is called ascent of shape. In this way, translocation occurs in plant. In next video, we start the next topic, that is reproduction in plants as well as in animal.